How about a new way to do turkey? These sweet and savory baked meatballs will bring the flavor of the holidays all year long. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then defrost a pint of our cream of celery soup from your freezer. Don't worry, you can download the recipe from our website, divineappetit.com. Let's roll. Put 2 pounds of fresh ground turkey into a large mixing bowl. Now add 1 cup of cornbread crumbs, and that recipe's on our website at divineappetit.com. 1 rib of finely chopped celery, half a medium onion finely chopped, salt, pepper, garlic, parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Half cup of chopped dried cranberries, 1/4 cup of chopped pecans, and finally 2 eggs. Now let's dig in. With your hands, incorporate all the ingredients into the meat. Keep mixing until all the ingredients look evenly distributed. You want your meatballs to be the same size. Dish them out with either an ice cream scoop or a 1/4 measuring cup. Roll them into balls, and yes, my mom still insists on slapping them between your hands to make the perfect meatball. If you have non-stick muffin pans, then grab some natural paper or silicone cupcake liners. I promise you, when it comes time for cleanup, you'll thank us. Melt a 1/4 cup of butter with a basting brush. Paint the top of each meatball with that butter. Bake your meatballs for about 35 minutes on the same shelf in your oven. We like to rotate our pans 180 degrees halfway through. If you're using a meat thermometer, the internal temperature should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit to indicate doneness. We love to serve these turkey meatballs with our cream of celery condensed soup. It's the easiest gravy ever, and the flavors complement each other perfectly.